It's been 1 full year since I've been monetized on this channel, so it's time to check in and see how much YouTube has paid me. Let's begin. Hey Atime, if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day, how much have you made through YouTube AdSense if you're monetized? Let me know in the comment section down below. So it's been 1 full year since I've been monetized on YouTube, and as a reminder, to be monetized on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. For me in this channel, it took 8 months to achieve this milestone. For other creators, it takes much less time, and other creators, it takes a little bit longer. Everyone has a different timeline. Overall, the channel has gained 175,000 views, and I've uploaded over 375 videos to achieve those views. So as you can see, those stats are not impressive by any stretch of the imagination, but I share those to impress upon you that you too can do it. It's a grind, but you too can certainly do it. There's no 1 or 2 viral videos that are shouldering most of the growth. On the contrary, it's been pretty steady. Now, I wish there was a viral video. My channel would grow much faster, but that's just not the case. All right, so let's dig into our analytics. We're here in the YouTube channel, and to get to our analytics, you can go various routes. You can go through the TubeBuddy and use the links that TubeBuddy gives you, so the hyperlinks that you have through there, or you can go directly from your settings and go to YouTube Studio, and you wind up at the same place. So as a reminder, what you saw right there, I'll go right back. What you saw right there was an extension of TubeBuddy. So I have the pro version, which I'll link down below. As a disclaimer, it is an affiliate, but if you are serious about growing your channel, then I highly suggest that you go with TubeBuddy or vidIQ, whichever one suits you best. I use both of those in some capacities, but I do have the pro version for TubeBuddy because it helps me whenever I'm titling my videos, doing some research, and helps me out in that regard. And vidIQ, I have it. It's a free extension. It gives me a good snapshot of what's going on with my channel. All right, so we got a little sidetracked. Let's get back to it. So we're gonna go directly to our YouTube Studio. Here's our dashboard of what's going on with our channel in a snapshot, and we're gonna go to the Analytics tab. And here we also see the last 28 days, what's happening in the last 28 days. You have the dashboard of views, estimated earnings, subscribers, watch time, and then which videos are trending. So you see which videos are garnering the most amount of views in this particular time span. And this is 28 days. So you can go back to 365 days and you'll have that information right there. And you can also see in chunks. So for the quarter, if you go 90 days, which one's been the most viewed? You see here, real estate Facebook ads that actually work. That one's been a top viewer, almost double the size of my second most popular one. All right, so let's go to what you came here for. Let's go to the revenue tab. And in the time span of 90 days, we have $85 CPM, and we've had about almost $3,500 for the channel. And if we go to 365 days, this is what I've earned in the past 365 days. I'm gonna go ahead and do lifetime because there's about 2 or 3 days that are not accounted for, so that number didn't switch that much. As you can see here, this YouTube channel in its lifetime has received almost $6,300. This is the amount of playbacks, meaning the amount of views that were actually monetized, and then the average CPM of the channel, which is incredible. This is a ridiculously high CPM. I can't overstress that. This is just a CPM that you don't see in many channels. There's various ways for that, which I won't get to in this particular video right now. I'm more interested in showing you the results, but just understand that if you are using this as a metric on deciding if you want to start your YouTube channel, I would suggest that you don't go with this as a more realistic CPM. In a tutorial base, you're looking at the $20, $30, $40 mark when it comes to tutorial based content, not entertainment. Entertainment CPMs, you're running at $3, $4, $5 per 1,000 views. Here, that's just an anomaly, which I'm very thankful for. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my free courses, link in description. All right, so this goes back all the way to 2007 since when I had my channel, but I really didn't upload anything until, when was it? August 13th was the day that I started uploading. August 13th, 2018. And then we'll go to the last 365 days. So you see kind of how the content has been manifesting itself. I got a little bit intentional in April. So you see I was a bit more active posting there. And then I kind of died off for a little bit, did some very few videos in May, actually one. And then I started back up in June. So in June, I had a good amount of videos out there. I did about 10 videos in June. And then I let it rest for a while. You see that I didn't do much on the channel up until August 1st again, when you see just when I started publishing some more. And then September onward is when I started doing daily videos. So right now I am on a daily video grind. So that's why you're seeing, if you subscribe to this channel recently, you're seeing a notification every single day, which is by design. All right, and then you see the trends of what's happening with the estimated revenue, or the revenue per month. In October, that's where we were at. November, December, January, February. You see a big spike here between January and February, and then you see March dip. And the reason for that, I'll show you right now, which we'll get into this in a further video where I detail the March breakdown in my income reports, which I report every single month. So I'll be sure to link that playlist at the end of this video and down below so you see the progression of the channel. But as you can see, in March, we've had just shy of $1,200. And what happened, or what is happening right now, is because of the virus, because of the the state of the world right now, there's a lot of uncertainty. So there's a lot of folks that are not advertising, which I have another video coming out soon, or it might have already, by the time you're watching this, it probably already came out, in my suggestion on advertising. I believe that it is a great time to advertise because of this. Not because I want my AdSense to go up, because you're not gonna advertise on my channel most likely, but right now the competition is, I'm not gonna say it's not there, but it's minimal. There's much less competition for you out there. So you're getting leads for cheaper. You're getting more attention with the same amount of budget that you once had. So right now there's a lot of people that are preserving their advertising, and we're talking about bigger companies, mid-sized companies, and small companies, which led to this drop in AdSense. So as you can see here, there were days where I was at 60, 60, 60, above $60, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70. And then right around the middle of the month, it just dipped. So you see here, I haven't clipped $40 a day. There's one. In quite a while. So the last part of March, we were trending to go about $1,800, but that last part of March just hurt the AdSense revenue, which it is what it is. But I wanted to show you more than anything the lifetime earning and the lifetime CPM of this channel. Also, something else that I want to offer you is identifying the top earning videos. And if you're trying to maximize the AdSense revenue in your channel, then a good strategy would be to identify those top earning videos and remake them. Make them better, ideally, but have a spin-off from where you left off from the channel. So as an example, real estate leads fast, Google Ads tutorial 2020. So make a video that complements this particular video. Same thing with that one. So look at the ones that are earning you the most money, and then make some edits, modifications, and make a video better, because you know that that is a proven audience because people are watching it. So that's something else that I wanted to offer you. And then lastly, we're gonna go to the CPM, go to see more, and this is very much the same strategy, identifying those that have an incredibly high CPM so you can make more of those types of videos. In this example, you see here they're ranked based off of the CPM. 166, that doesn't really mean too much to me because the estimated monetized playbacks is 92. That's not a significant amount of views for you to make another video from this particular video. But if we look at videos that have seen a bit more views, like as an example, Lion Desk, why I stopped using Lion Desk, that's had 1,700 views and the CPM is 132. A bad example, I don't want to necessarily make another video about Lion Desk and why I left Lion Desk, but I mean, if I was after the CPM money, I guess I would, but I'm not going to. That was my last Lion Desk video. But looking through the CPM, and let's see, real estate, actually my top earning video has a CPM of $119 and has $7,600. So that one has made me $500. So this one would be, again, actually it coincided, which is super cool. But you're gonna see that the CPMs, they all vary, identifying those top earning CPMs and making some videos to complement those, because you know that the audience is there and also that the payout is there. Well, now that you know how much YouTube has paid me over the past year, you might be interested in seeing how much YouTube has paid me every single month. And I'll leave that playlist right here so you can see the breakdown and different strategies that I use to grow every single month. And if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.